teach you how to drive a manual transmission car. First, tapakan nyo muna yung clutch, then hear the clutch, brake, and acceleration. Here. Ulit, clutch, brake, then acceleration. Here you go. Then first, tapakan niyo yung clutch, then put the gear into the first gear. There you go. Then dahan-dahan nating bitawan ang clutch, dahan-dahan nating i-release, and then dahan-dahan din nating tapakan ang acceleration, dahan-dahan. Then here you go. Naandar po tayo, at para mapakita sa inyo, ito po, ayan po, naandar po tayo. Then ayan, then clutch, then brake. Paalala ko lang na dapat bago ka mag-brake, pindutin mo rin dapat ang clutch, kasi pag hindi mo pinindot ang clutch, the engine ay mamamatay.